Alors, qu'est-ce qu'on a ici?
It's in places like this where Justin Trudeau hopes the fight against COVID-19 can be won. The Prime Minister today meeting Canadian researchers while announcing deals with 2 U.S. firms working on a vaccine.
The Government of Canada has signed 2 new agreements with Novavax and Johnson & Johnson to reserve millions of doses of the vaccines they're developing.
If those vaccines work, Ottawa will buy up to 114 million doses. That's in addition to another 76 million doses it secured in deals previously announced with 2 other firms, Pfizer and Moderna.
We are investing in a diverse portfolio of vaccines to ensure that as the science progresses, Canadians have access to a safe, effective, and proven vaccine.
These potential vaccines work in different ways, and the government says it is looking at other possible candidates. But there have been setbacks. A project with China's CanSino Biologics collapsed when Beijing refused to ship vaccine samples to Canadian researchers.
My kids, my choice!
The government also battling fear and suspicion from a small but vocal movement opposed to vaccines or even face masks, and a more general concern that a vaccine may be rushed into production.
So I want to be very clear. Health Canada will not authorize a vaccine unless scientific evidence demonstrates that it is safe and effective.
The government offering assurances it's not cutting corners and won't force a vaccine on anyone.
I have little doubt the majority of Canadians will be wanting to get the vaccine. There will always be some people who are very anti-vaccination, but that's actually a fairly small group in Canada, and I would expect it to remain small for this vaccine.
The hope is that a vaccine can be developed and approved for use in Canada by next year, but researchers aren't there yet, and the work continues. Tom Perry, CBC News, Ottawa.